Hello hard children, welcome to a lesson on substitution, and this is part 2. The real life link and the keywords will be pretty much the same, and in this lesson you'll be able to substitute numbers with a bit more difficult terms such as x squared. So let's go straight into an example. Let's assume that we were told to substitute into the expression if x is equal to 2, 2x plus 1. For this, right now, the method is pretty much the same as what you've been doing before. 2 times minus 2 plus 1, which will be minus 4 add 1. That would give us minus 3. Okay, so the only difficult part over here is just make sure you do not mix up your negatives. Otherwise, it's pretty straightforward and rudimentary. Let's look at another example. Now, if a is equal to 6, they're telling us to work out 3a squared. First of all, remember what 3a squared means. It's 3 lots of a squared. Okay, 3 lots of a squared. So remember that before we actually do the question, because you have to again use BIDMAS here. And I don't want you to mix up the squared with this 3 over here, because we're not squaring that 3. Anyway, this basically is then 3 times a squared, 3 lots of a squared. 3 lots of, if a is equal to 6, 6 squared. Now remember in BIDMAS, this is the indices part, okay? Indices, alright? Indices is basically powers, things that are, such as this to the power of 2 over here, squared, cubed, and so on. So we're going to focus on that first, even before the multiplication. So 3 times 36. Okay. Now, you can do this, obviously using some long multiplication. 6 times 3 is 18, carry the 1, 3 times 3 is 9, add that 1 is going to give you 108. And our answer over here is 108. When a is equal to 6, 3a squared is 108. Good. Now I want you to try a few examples, starting with this one. Once you're done, of course, not upload your work. Once you're done, unpause the video, and then I'll also be going through it. So, 3 times by minus 3 plus 1. Why? Because it's 3x plus 1. X is equal to minus 3. This whole minus 3 is x. That times, remember 3x is the same thing as 3 times, isn't it? And that plus 1 is obviously quite straightforward. Anyway, 3 times by minus 3 will be minus 9. Add 1 will give us minus 8. Let's go again. Pause the video and have a go. So this one over here will be 2 lots of a squared, which is 2 times 4 squared. And you can obviously do it sideways. I can write underneath here, which is 2 times by 16. Because we do the powers first, that would be 32. Now with that all said and done, I want you to have a go at these questions. Once you are done, of course, upload your work onto class charts for your teacher to mark. Good luck.